I'm feeling a lot of taste tests today, so if you notice I'm in the same outfit, that would be why. Alright, now we're going to be taste testing this Nature Valley Crunchy Oats and Honey Granola Bars. There are 12 bars per package. Each bar is 100 calories. So that's not bad. It says serving size is 2 bars, which would then bring it up to 190 calories. But, oh, it's because 2 bars per little package. I get it. Okay, so 190 calories per serving. Yeah. I'll see if I can find these online, and I'll link them below if you've ever had these before, which a lot of you might have because they're pretty common and they've been around a while. Let me know what you thought of them. I think I've had them at some point in the past, or something very similar to this. Maybe not this brand, but it would have been many moons ago. So I wouldn't have been thinking to review these back then. Alright, very crumbly right off the bat. There's a lot of like crumbly this inside the packaging. So let me break off a little bit. No, let's see here. I don't want to crumble all over the floor. Alright, here we go. Here's what it looks like. Pretty decent color. It's already crumbling in my hand as I'm moving around. Nice and crunchy. Good mouthfeel. You can taste the honey. It's there, but it's not overbearing. It's a good level of sweetness. The oats are nice. Yeah. I would easily, for a granola bar, oats and honey, I could easily give this a 5 out of 5 stars. And that doesn't happen often. Those who have been watching a while know. I don't usually give 5 stars, but yeah. As soon as you take the first bite and you start chewing, it breaks apart and crumbles up. Yeah, it's exactly what I would want in a crunchy granola bar. If you haven't had these before, does it sound like something you would be open to trying? This was under $5 for this box. I believe we bought this at Walmart. And like I said, I'll link it below. If you use my Amazon link, that actually helps my channel out so I can get more things to review for y'all. So for those who do choose to use that link, thank you. Alright, y'all. I'm going to see you in the next one. Bye.